Where are they?
How do I know? How do you expect me to see through the canvas?
Quiet.
Say, there must be pigeons in this car.
Yeah. It's the baby. It's in the car.
Yeah. Now we're in for it.
Everything will be all right as long as the kid keeps quiet.
I'll cut a hole in the canvas and see where the cops are.
Good idea, and if you see him, let me know. Keep the baby.
Hey, there's somebody out here honking his horn.
Yeah, it's you, you dope. Get it.